Is the speaker on your iPhone 17 sometimes too loud when playing music, movies, or other media? There's a setting that lets you limit the maximum speaker volume, so it never goes beyond the level you choose. Here's how to set it up. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under the Built-in Speaker section, tap Volume Limit. Next, turn on the switch next to Limit Maximum Volume. Once enabled, you'll see a slider that lets you set the maximum volume level. Simply drag the slider left or right to choose your preferred limit. You can set the maximum output anywhere from 20% to 90%, depending on how loud you want your iPhone speakers to play. This limit applies to music, movies, and other media playback. However, it does not affect phone calls, FaceTime calls, emergency alerts, ringtones, alarms, system sounds, or Find My iPhone sounds. You'll also see another option called Reduce Loud Sounds. If you turn this on, your iPhone slightly compresses the audio range to create softer sound effects while still keeping quiet details clear in songs, movies, and other media. If you ever want to remove the volume limit, just return to the Volume Limit menu and turn off the Limit Maximum Volume switch. And that's it. If this video helped you control the speaker volume on your iPhone, give it a like or watch another video to learn more useful features you can use on your device. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick iPhone tips.